Well, 100,000 subscribers. An absolutely crazy amount. And obviously when I started this, I wasn't even thinking about 100 subscribers, let alone 100,000. So to sort of actually be sitting here and making this video, it's something I never really thought I would be able to do. And the thing that I always will tell anyone that I meet that does YouTube videos, whether they've got 2 million subscribers or 2, is that we're all doing the same thing. We're all picking up a camera, whether it's a smartphone or a C300 or anything in between, and we're just making a video talking about the things we love to do. And to be able to do that not only full time, but to get to this point is just something that's absolutely insane. And I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that has helped me do this. As yes, I know, the stupid cat's now coming in. Come on then. It's just that I feel so privileged to be able to wake up every morning and actually be able to make these videos for you about the things I love. Because it's not just the tech, it's the camera work and sort of everything around it that I've always loved. I've loved creating stuff. I've never been much of an artist. I can't paint. I can't even draw. I can't do accents, as many of my friends will know. I've been Aaron, Mr. Who's the Boss, and I'm signing out. But when it comes to photography and videography, I know I'm not the best out there, but it's something I've always really enjoyed doing. But it's something I've always really enjoyed learning. I've always been self-taught, and I've always sort of been driven to push myself to the max, if you like, to try and do the best I can. And when it comes to these videos, the thing that I know is so important is that it's not really about me, it's not even so much about the tech, it's about you. It's about making sure that if you're looking at getting a new graphics card, a new motherboard, a new phone, anything, that at the end of the day, you're watching, sure, some of you for entertainment, but many of you are watching because you're wanting to make the right buying decision. And I've been there so many times. I remember saving up, it was around about £425, which was over 100% of my month's paycheck in Sainsbury's, just for the GTX 680 when that came out. And I really wanted to make sure that was the right purchase. I did a load of research, and when I hit the buy button, I was so nervous. I've just spent so much money on this thing, and when I got it, I was so happy with everything it could do. And the same goes for my first computer. I think I spent around about 6 months actually planning everything out. I didn't really have much money back then. I couldn't even afford a graphics card, so that when I finally did buy that computer, it was just a Intel CPU that I was using the integrated graphics and playing around about 20 frames a second on various different games. And it's just something that I almost experienced for the first time, which was pressing that power button and it working. It was just a feeling that I haven't really been able to replicate since. I mean, obviously I build a lot of computers now, but to actually have learned that skill from nothing, to be able to put it together and for it to work, it was something that was just really special to me. And it's something that has, I guess, spawned this channel, and it's just something I love talking about and I love sharing. And I am so thankful that you continue to allow me to do it. There's going to be loads of great videos coming up very shortly. I know that the PG27UQ is about a week or 2 away from being in this studio, which I'm super excited about. I'll probably only have it for a week and then never be able to use it again. So I'm going to be working hard to do some research and make sure that it's thoroughly tested when it comes to gaming, and plenty of other stuff like builds, but you know that that's all coming. This video is just to say thank you, and if you do want anything more from the channel, then let me know down in the comment section below, because this is my job, and I want to make sure that not only I enjoy doing it, but you guys enjoy watching the videos. So for the final time, a massive thank you for you guys for watching PC Centric Season 1. We now move on to 1 million subscribers, so let Season 2 begin.